going to see what's inside a Huawei phone. This time I actually said it right. And okay, let's get right into it. I've already taken the top part off, but let's see what's inside the bottom part. Ooh, it's another battery pack. You'd get what I mean if you saw the other video for the HTC phone. This is battery pack for that one. Let's see inside of the Huawei one. Wow, there's 5K one. Let's see this one. Let's see it in comparison to the HTC one. It's the HTC. This is the Huawei. Let's see which one's bigger. The HTC one is actually bigger. Big back and different. Oh, got a sitting then. Okay. Well, on the next part of these, I wonder what this is. Well, in the next part of these videos, I'm going to get the precision screwdriver out and see properly what's inside of them. No, I can't do that. Wow, this video seems a bit small compared to the other one. Doesn't have as many components in this one. Well, in comparison, you know which one will serve a better show. This one's got to win, the HTC one. Now let's see the hybrid, the amazing Dino hybrid, well, phone hybrid of the HTC and the Huawei phones. There we go. And sorry guys, for the last video we forgot to put music in it. On this one I'm going to. Well, remember guys, like, comment if you want to, and keep on powering. Goodbye.